Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about received function. So let's start. So the syntax of this function is received, and the arguments which are used are settlement, maturity, investment, amount, and discount rate and day count basis. So it returns the amount received at maturity for a fully invested security. So this particular formula is more useful in case of bonds or fixed income securities. And the mathematical formula for received is investment divided by 1 minus discount rate into DIM by B, where DIM is number of days from maturity, issue to maturity, and B is the day count. So convention. So if we are using actual by 365, then it will be 365. We are using 30 by 360, then it will be 360. Now let us understand it by an example. So here is a case. Security has been issued and the settlement date of the security is 1st of June 2021. So settlement date is the date when the buyer has acquired the security. Issue date can be prior to the settlement date. Maturity date of the security is 31st December 2022. Amount invested is 1000 by the investor. The discount rate is 5%, and day count convention we are taking 30 by 360. For that we have to put 0 in the field. So let us open the formula wizard. So go to FX, from here go to financial and select the received tab. Here you can see it is written, it returns the amount received at a maturity for a fully invested security. So press it and now put the date. So 1st June 2021 is settlement date, maturity date is 31st December 2022. Investment is 1000 rupees and discount rate is 5%. Basis is 0. And we can get the value, that is 1086. So we are going to get 1086 on maturity. On this particular security we will get an amount of 1086. It is in round figure. When you increase the decimal places, you will find that the same value is here. So I hope you like my video. So thanks for watching and please subscribe.